In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hiring badge to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to let your LinkedIn network know that you are hiring, and it can help attract potential candidates to your open positions. Let's get started. First, head over to LinkedIn's homepage. You can do this by typing linkedin.com into your web browser's address bar. If you aren't already logged into LinkedIn, you'll need to sign in. You can choose to sign in with your Google account, your Apple account, or by entering your email address and password. Keep in mind that if you have set up two-factor authentication, you might be asked to verify your login through a code sent to your phone. This is just a security step to ensure your account remains protected. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn profile homepage. From here, we need to navigate to your actual profile. Do this by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select View My Profile from the options. Now you're viewing your profile, let's focus on adding that hiring badge. Click on your profile picture again and you'll see an option called Frames. Go ahead and click on Frames. This will bring up a selection of frames that you can apply to your profile photo. Look for and select the hashtag hiring frame from the list. This frame is specifically designed to let others know you're currently looking to hire. After selecting the NASA hiring frame, you're almost done. Next, click on Add to Profile. This will not only add the hiring badge to your profile picture, but will also post to your feed that you are hiring, making it visible to your network. Finally, don't forget to click Apply to save all these changes. This will ensure that the hiring badge is visible on your profile and lets everyone know you're recruiting. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile now features a hiring badge, making it easier for job seekers to know that you are looking for talent. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated and comprehensive is key in networking and talent acquisition. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also be looking to add a hiring badge to their LinkedIn profile. Have a great day and happy hiring.